Investing in a high-quality PC gaming chair with an ergonomic design can help bring your gaming to a whole new level. Whether you're working or unwinding, gaming chairs offer serious comfort for long hours locked in front of a screen. It gives you a throne for gaming and makes for a great study seat or office chair, and there are often options that range from subtle to bold in terms of color choices, so you can customize your space the way you want. If you're searching for a gaming chair online, you'll find that it's not easy to tell whether that chair is comfortable and ergonomic. Complicating the search is that many PC gaming chairs look pretty much the same and offer a dizzying array of features: padded armrest, retractable footrest, bucket seat, neck pillow, adjustable lumbar support, and the list goes on. A PC gaming chair is something you need first-hand experience to judge. Our picks for the best gamer chair should eliminate some of the guesswork from your search. The chairs we rounded up here, and most of the ones we researched, are the best gaming chairs around right now. Our picks share a lot of similarities, like caster wheels and seat padding for extra comfort and ergonomic gaming. Other similarities include adjustable spider bases and 3D or 4D armrests that move up and down, forward and backward, and rotate inward and out. All of them would be suitable as an office chair too. Beyond that, in your search for the best gaming chair, having a good backrest and lumbar support are essential. You should look for a video game chair that's sturdy and suits your size. Here are our picks for the best gaming chair. The Mavix M7. This is a gaming chair for people who don't want to look like they own a gaming chair. Yes, it fits the need of gamers with full back support, 360-degree armrests, a headrest, and plenty of height and angle adjustments. But unlike most gaming chairs, it can pass as a fancy, high-end ergonomic office chair. The Blacklight Kraken Pro Chair. Transform your workspace with a Blacklight Kraken Pro, a chair designed for those who value both comfort and aesthetics in their daily environment. Crafted with high-density memory foam and wrapped in sleek PU leather, this chair combines premium materials with ergonomic design to support long hours of productivity and relaxation alike. Fully adjustable armrests, a reclining backrest, and customizable lumbar and neck support make it easy to find your perfect sitting position, whether you're working, studying, or simply unwinding. The Kraken Pro seamlessly blends into any modern office or home setup, adding a touch of sophistication and comfort that elevates your lifestyle and productivity. Ergocentric Store US AirCentric 2. Gaming chairs are nice and all, but what if you want something that doesn't make you feel like you're sitting in a cocoon? The AirCentric 2 Multi-Tilt is an office chair-like design, no RGB lighting or weird cup-like seats. That's also great for gaming use. The chair is currently available in 3 main colors: black, dark gray, and royal blue, and with a choice of light gray or black hardware. The air part of the name refers to the breathable backrest, which has an attractive rib-like pattern on the back. And a Seat Fanatic Edition. And a Seat Fanatic Edition is a big league gaming chair for gamers small and large. The black and orange chair is covered in scratch and stain-proof PVC leather over memory foam and is supported by an extra-large aluminum 5-wheel base. The generously sized caster wheels are covered in polyurethane to prevent damaging the floors. It can support up to 440 pounds and up to 6 feet 8 inches tall. Also included are sizable lumbar and headrest pillows. Razer Iskor Gaming Chair. There are few good reasons to pick the Razer Iskor over others on this list. For instance, if you love the Razer brand, it's a no-brainer. From its glowing green stitching to its 3-headed snake logo to the snake belly pattern on the back support, this is a chair for gamers by gamers. The chair is covered in a multi-layered synthetic leather that Razer says will withstand the peeling that's typical of standard polyurethane leather. It feels close to leather, which is nice, but it also creaks and squeaks like it too. It's designed for gamers weighing up to 299 pounds with a height of 5 feet 6 inches. The seat cushion is firm and supportive, which is what you want when you're gaming or working at a desk. If you're looking for a puffy recliner on wheels, this ain't it. Herman Miller into Logitech Embody Gaming Chair. Spending as much on an office chair as you might on a mid-range gaming laptop might seem ridiculous, but when many of us are spending more and more time at home, it's not unreasonable for home office-bound gamers to consider making a serious investment in their comfort, regardless of what's happening on screen. Whether you're scanning spreadsheets or laser-focused on your next target, the Embody Gaming Chair will give you excellent excellent back and shoulder support. The only specifically gamery thing about this version is the color scheme, which adds ocean blue accents to the back panel, and the height adjustment switches for the seat and the armrests. X Chair X3 ATR Management Chair. The X Chair X3's design might not look like a gaming chair, but at $879, it doesn't skip the features you'd expect. One of the special features is what X Chair calls the dynamic variable lumbar, which moves as you do to give you the same amount of support all the time. The headrest can be raised and lowered, as well as tilted for better head and neck support. It also has highly adjustable armrests with 4 degrees of movements. Secret Lab Titan 2020 Series Gaming Chair. We asked our sample sitters which they thought was the best gaming chair overall, and they almost unanimously agreed that the best gaming chair was the Secret Lab Titan 2020 series. This ergonomic gaming chair has a large backrest with a wide lumbar pillow cushion, and it supports people who are up to 6 feet 7 inches and weigh 290 pounds. It also has style. This gaming recliner isn't just a place to sit, it lets you lie back to recline almost fully, and the high-density foam head pillow is generously sized for a top-notch gaming experience. Secret Lab Omega Gaming Chair. The Secret Lab Omega is a gamer's all-day dream chair with 2 memory foam pillows, one for lumbar support and the other for the headrest. Matched with a full-length backrest and a seat cushion that rises on its sides, this comfortable gaming chair keeps gamers sitting snugly in place. Ergocentric, T-centric, hybrid ergonomic chair. Some chairs are labeled ergonomic, and then there's the T-centric hybrid from ergocentric. It's not a one-size-fits-all chair or even one you buy strictly by size. Instead, the Canadian-based company helps you build a chair that's a perfect fit for your body. The company even has an ergonomist on staff you can video chat with. Gaming chairs range from $150 to more than $1,000 depending on features, design, size, and materials.